Someone asked this question some time ago, and it's going to be the foundation for this video. How do I stop overthinking all the time? I get so exhausted of my own brain. It just doesn't stop making up scenarios that may or may not happen. They mainly don't. And I panic all the time about the future. I have tried to be better in this situation, but I always keep failing. I want to just live and not worry so much for no reason. So let me show you 3 ways in order to stop your overthinking. The first one is you need to acknowledge little successes. Probably you might have a list of things that you would want to achieve by the end of the year. Go back to the drawing board. You realize that there are 1 or 2 that you have been able to achieve. That is a plus. Have it in mind that success is not built overnight. You need to take a step at a time. So have a scale of preference. Group your needs and wants. Your needs are things that they are essential. You can't live without them. Your wants are things that you desire. So put your needs ahead of your wants. And when you achieve any of them, celebrate it, acknowledge it, because it is part of your success story. The second thing, you need to have it in mind that it's not everything that you can be able to have control over it. We don't have control over everything. For instance, your past is gone. You only learn from your past. The future too is not certain because it's still a mystery. All that you can do about your future is to just plan about it. Also, other people's opinion, choices and behavior, there is nothing you can be able to do about it. There are also certain kind of environmental circumstances like natural events, sickness, death. That one is part of human life. So the moment you realize it, you will not be thinking of things that you have no control over it. Then the next thing that I would want you to know is that failing is part of being successful. I've watched a lot of interviews about successful people, and they always say that at some point they failed and they rise back again. So you need to have it in mind that at some point you will fall and you will rise. Before a tree will grow, it goes down deep with the roots before it will spring forth with the leaves. You understand? So sometimes you will fall and you will rise up again. The difference is that you shouldn't give up. I usually experience this with content creation. There are majority of time that I will take time and make a video, upload it. Meanwhile, people choose not to watch. You see, it seems like I'm a failure. No, all that I do is that I analyze why people are choosing not to watch my video, work on it, perfect it, so that I will work on it in order for people to continue to watch my videos. It's not only you who is experiencing that. We all go through it. So this is what I would want you to know that will help you in order to stop overthinking. If you find this video helpful, feel free, subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people.